Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Allie and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, it is our Macys beauty box. I was going to say plain box. Macys beauty box for the month of November. This box here always gets to me super duper fast. So let's get into it so we can see what we have for this month. For those of you that don't know about this box, it is a $15 a month subscription, but inside you are set to get 5 to 6 items. We used to get a cosmetic bag, but just recently it seems like they have been replacing that cosmetic bag with an extra item, which to me, I think it's a lot better than getting a cosmetic bag. Also, along with that, you get a $5 coupon for your next beauty purchase in Macys. So let me open this up so we can see what we have inside. So like always, we have our items wrapped up in this pink tissue paper, and we get a pamphlet with the items that we have inside. And then like I mentioned, here we have our $5 off coupon for the next beauty purchase. So let me unwrap this and see what we have for this month. I'm gonna start with this first one here because I'm always excited to get items from Kiehls. They are one of my favorite skincare brands. I think that a lot of the products that I have tried have been very, very good, and I think they're totally worth the money. So this is our first item here. Like I said, it was from Kiehls, and it is the Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. They have recently been coming out with products that have calendula. I honestly have no idea what it is, but it seems to be something very big within their skincare line. And I believe that ingredient is supposed to help reduce redness in the skin. So this is what the cream on the inside looks like. Just, regular cream, nothing special to the way that it looks, but I cannot wait to try this out because I've not tried anything or I have not tried this cream before, so I'm excited to try this one out. So item number 1, and for number 2, I'll go ahead and grab this one. It is from my Clarence Paris, and it is a mask. It says recharge. So let me see what it looks like, because this is what the box looks like on the outside. Doesn't really tell me anything. It just says for all skin types. So let me take out our little. So this is what the little container on the inside looks like. It does look like it's a very, very tiny little sample. So it doesn't look like there's much in here, and it doesn't give me a lot of information. So I'm gonna wait towards the end and see what the pamphlet says about this one here. So this is item number 2. I'll go ahead and grab this one just because it's a repeat. I recently got, let me see if it's the same one before I say anything. Okay, never mind. Forget I even said anything. This is something totally different. This is from Peter Thomas Roth, and it is the Instant Firm Eye Temporary Eye Tightener. It says instantly tightens and firms. Also soothes the appearance of crow's feet, fine lines, and deep wrinkles around the eye area, and diminishes eye puffiness. So so this is what it looks like. Your typical packaging for this brand. And I wonder how this even works. Well, I'm sure a lot of science went into this. But so it comes out just as a clear gel, and with everything that goes around your eyes, you only need a small amount. So this one for your eyes, I think it's a really, really good size. I don't know if this would be considered full size, but this one here, it's 0.5 fluid ounces, so half an ounce, and it is an eye cream. So I wonder, how long this will last you. I'm sure it'll last you quite a few uses. So item number 3, and let me go back in. And so I just applied it here. I'm going to let it sit on my hand to see if I feel anything different. So far, I can just tell you it did mattify the area that I put it on, and it does feel cooling as well. So let's see how it feels throughout the rest of the video. So Up next, I'll go ahead and grab this one, which is not anything new that we have not received before, if that made any sense. But this is the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. We have received many of these samples before, so I'm not even gonna go ahead and I'm not even gonna take it out of the packaging, because I'm gonna pass this one on to somebody that will use it. And so just so you guys can see, this down here is the picture of the wand itself, and they just give you pictures here of what you can expect to see once you apply it to your lashes. So item number 4, up next, I'm gonna grab this one. I believe this is going to be the item that they are substituting our bag for, because usually they tend to come with this hashtag Macys Beauty. And let me see what's in here. Ooh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. It is a mirror. So wait, so how does, so you get like 3 mirrors. Okay, so there's a mirror on this side, which is the one that magnifies. Then on this side, you have your regular mirror. But then over here in the front, you also have like almost like a diamond kind of thing, but it's also a mirror. So it's like 3 different mirrors all in one. And I don't want to show you guys directly, because if I face it that way, you're gonna get the reflection of my sister on here, so you're gonna see her sitting behind the camera. But they are 3 mirrors on this, and then here is just a gold tone color, and then you have your little button here to push it so you can go ahead and open it. So see, this is what I mean. I rather get a mirror than a cosmetic bag, because I know I will actually use this one, and the cosmetic bag is just gonna go sit in a bin somewhere. So that's an extra item. I'll go ahead and grab this one next, and it's from Anastasia. I said it so fast. Of Beverly Hills. It is a liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. So it seems like for Anastasia, aside from the color red, they give us this color a lot. So it's not the first time that we have received this color in one of the subscription boxes. But I mean, it's okay, because I think it's pretty wearable. This is the color there. And it is just your regular Anastasia liquid lip packaging. So it's not like it's a new item or anything, but that is the color there. I think it's actually a pretty nice color, especially if you were to put like a gloss on top of it. It'll look really nice. So we are down to our now 2. Again, they've been changing things. Now, instead of 1 perfume sample, we get 2. We have been getting both 1 for women and then 1 for men. And off the bat, I can tell you I love this scent. This one, I have it in a little roller ball packaging, and I really like this one. This one is more of a stronger scent that I like to wear at night. So that can kind of give you an idea of like, the stronger scent that it is. So this one, it is for men. So I'm going to pass this one on to my boyfriend and then see what he tells me about the scent, if he likes it or not. But those 2 were the last 2 items from our box. Now let me go ahead and look at my little pamphlet to see if they give us any full-size prices. So on here, it says a full-size item for Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip runs for $20. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara full size is $25. The Kiehls Calendula Water Cream, it is $48 full size. The new My Clarence Recharge Relaxing Sleep Mask. Okay, so that's what it is. It is a sleep mask that obviously you leave overnight, and it's supposed to quench, recharge, and rebalance your skin. So full size of this one is $27. The full size of the Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm XI, I think that's how you say it, is $38. And again, I don't know if this would be full size, because again, it's an eye cream. Eye creams are usually small like this, so I'm not sure. A full size for a 3-ounce perfume of the Yves Saint Laurent, it costs $124. for the women. And then for the men, you are looking for a 3.3 ounce bottle. You are looking at $115. So let me know what you guys think of the box. I still have this Peter Thomas Roth here on my hand, and you can tell that it tightened my skin. When I move it around, you can see my skin stretching on the area that I put the cream on. So I can see how it would tighten your under eyes as well. So those were all the products that we got in our box. I can honestly say I like the items that we got, except for, the mascara, which is something that we always get. And this one here is just a very, very tiny little sample. But other than that, I think all the other items that we have in here were actually pretty good. But let me know what you guys think down below. Remember, we pay $15 for this and we get a $5 coupon. So putting it all together, what do you guys think? Those are all the items from my box for today. So I'm all done here. I will be back pretty soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.